I'm back again, breaking down how to transfer your mobile number from one carrier to another. My goal is to help you expedite the process in porting over your mobile number. So, first things first, no matter what company you're transferring from or to, you're going to need your account number and you're going to need a transfer PIN. Also, you will need the first and the last name, the last four of the social or the EIN if it's a business, as well as the billing address for that account. Some shortcuts for Verizon and AT&T. You can get your transfer PIN through an automated system. You can hit pound 7678 for Verizon, which is just port, or star 7678 from AT&T from the mobile device that still has the SIM card from either Verizon or AT&T in there. Okay, if this was helpful, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know. Until then.